Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to change your Epic Games email without verification. So first of all, just open up your web browser, then type in Epic Games, go into the first link. Now make sure you're logged in. You can see it from here. My username is showing up. If you're not logged in, it will say logged in. So just log in. Then click on the search bar, remove the n/us and type in help and click enter. You will be redirected to the support page. Now just scroll down until you find accounts and click on Epic Game Store. Now you have to scroll down again until you find contact us. Click on it. Then over here make sure your username is correct and your email is correct as well. Then just select your platform and type in the problem. Then just click on submit an email request. Once you do these steps, you will be emailed with further instructions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like.